Good morning. We're here in Pasadena, and I'm filling from the crawl space basically to show you the high levels of soil inside the crawl space. This crawl space is right against the basement, and every time it's raining hard, the soil will get saturated and then it will flood the basement. So what we're going to do next is excavation, waterproofing, drainage, and good luck to us. This is our end result here in Pasadena. Basically, we had to dig down all the soil. We waterproof the wall, as you can see. We installed some gravel. This is a cleaner pipe you can see all around. Everything is directed to the sump pump, away from the home. You can show them the other side as well. Same, filled with gravel, waterproof all the way to the top. And a clean up. Thank you.